In this video, I will explain how to create a library management system project using Python. Okay, let's see. Actually, this is a student login. Now, we can check how many books are issued by you. When I click view issued book, the book issued by the admin. So here I have to show you, this is the admin page. Here I will totally there are two login. One login is admin login. This is the admin login, and another one is students login. When I click to add to book library, I can add, for example, I will add another book. Already Java book available. Now I create PHP ISBN some number I will give. Author name Sudhya. Education. So then I click education, then click add. Now view book library. So totally there are two books available as Java, PHP, and now I have to issue new book for the some students. Issue new book, then Java, PHP and Vetri. There are only one users available. If number of students register, then the number of students name list are here, show this. Then click Vetri, then issue, and now click here to view issue. There are two books are issued by the students, and now just I refresh the page. There are two books are issued. Now I click return, so the books are returned. Now I refresh the page. Now the book is changed to the status from issued to return, and then I can add book, view book, and then issue book, view issue book, and then view students. Number of only one students are available. So this is a simple library management system for using Python in Django Framework. So let's see how to run the project. First you have to download the project and paste into the C disk or something disk. Here I create a new folder Python and paste the project in library management system. So the next step is you have to move on the CMD, then go to on the D, then open CD Python, then CD library management, and then the next step is just to follow the, you have to open the path of your project. Actually my project is located in the library management system, so I have to just copy that and open in the command prompt. And the first step is you have to run this command python pip install requirements.txt. So first execute that. Already I execute that. And the next step is open command prompt. It's like you can continue the same line, and then go to on the project directory. Already we are in the project directory. Then you have to pip install virtual env. This is the, then put on this command. Then you have to go to on the cd new env, then cd scripts, then cd activate. And then the second step is again you have to move on the same path of this one, and then you have to run py make migration migrate run server. Then you have to copy the URL and paste it from browser. Then the project is successfully executed. So you can sign up the students data, but when you have plan to create a admin, you have to follow the command line python manage.py create super user. So after execute this command, this is ask the admin name, admin email, admin password and confirm password. Once we have to submit it, you can log in through the created username and password. So this is the steps for creating a library management system. And if you are facing any issue in installation, just comment below, or you have to visit my website. The website link descriptions are available in video description, and I hope it's very helpful for you, and thank you.